Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bali yet again. I'm just being very cautious of monkeys everywhere around me. Okay, I'm here now in Uluwatu temple. Let's see. The temple's that way. Let's go cliff view. So I've gotten here 10 minutes after it's opened, about 7 AM. And I think this is probably the best time to come. I'm the only one here. And I've got this amazing sarong on. Yes, very nice. So today what we're going to do, we're going to explore Uluwatu Temple. Try not to get robbed by monkeys. And just going for a walk around the cliffs, fly the drone around the cliffs, not here though. And maybe check out Karma Beach as well. That's today's plan. Oh, and there was an earthquake this morning too. 6.5 or 6.2. Oh, there's monkeys doing things to each other. So guys, once again, welcome to Bali, Uluwatu Temple, Karma Beach, cliffside walking. Let's do this. Okay, it's guys like above my head. Oh my god, they're all above my head. I'm just walking, I'm just walking, I'm just walking. Where are you going there, buddy? Oh, it freaks me out, I tell ya. Oh, I don't like monkeys. Oh, get that head rush, you know, when something's like coming to swoop you and magpies swoop you? Well, I'd rather a magpie than a primate with teeth. Hey guys, down here. Yeah, so at this point in the video, the audio decided just not to work anymore. But let me just explain to you from here what's going on. Basically, what I'm talking about here is, that was an amazing view in the cliffside. We're now going to head down this pathway covered in jungle. It looks like it's going to be monkeys everywhere. I'm going to try and not to get jumped on or chased by monkeys. So follow me. I'm just going to do slow motion footage of an empty temple now because there's nobody around. So enjoy this little slow montage until I get the audio working again. Thanks for your patience. Enjoy. Back to you. me again. One other clip here without the audio, explaining there's heaps of monkeys down there. I'm not going to go down there because monkeys freak me out. Essentially, that's what I'm saying there. They're having sex. Okay, so at this point, oh my goodness, see, they're coming towards me. I can't deal with this. Just back away. Back away. Naughty, naughty, don't come near me. Yep, and this is the point where I'm out. I can't deal with this anymore. I need to leave. There's too much. There's too many monkeys. I'm out. I stopped for like 1 minute to change a battery in my camera. They caught up. They're following me. Oh, they give me the heebie-jibbities. Alright guys, so that would be it from the Uluwatu temple for me. I'm going to go walk and find a beach. There's some really cool beaches around here, so I'm going to go have a sit, look at my phone, see where we can go, and let's go check that out next. They're not behind me, are they? Okay, thank goodness. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, I figured it out. It's only a 20-minute walk to, I think, to the beach I want to go check out. So let's go walk there for 20 minutes, it's fine. And I'll easily be able to get a cab, because right here, the taxi mafia definitely has a monopoly here, and they'll try and charge you $40 just to leave the area. So I'd rather just walk. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? Okay, so that was a brisk 20-minute walk, and now I'm walking down to, I think it's called Uluwatu Beach, I don't know. There's a lot of speakers down there, and I feel like there's maybe a surf comp going on or something. I am drenched in sweat. Ugh. Now I'm going to head to, where am I head to? We go to Karma Beach. I've got a free little voucher from my parents to go down to Karma Beach. So if nothing happens in the next few minutes or the next half an hour to get there, then we'll just see you there. Let's go to Karma Beach. Yeah, as soon as I said that, I just got pooped on. Thanks. We have arrived, so let's go on down now to Karma Beach. I need a drink and I'm hungry. Always with the stairs. So there's usually a cable car here, but apparently is currently under maintenance. So I'm gonna have to go back up all these stairs.
Alrighty then.
Alright, time to head up these 350 stairs upwards. They look a lot more daunting than they did when they were coming down. Let's do it. So hot. Was it worth it? We've been through this. It's always worth it. Oh. So guys, thanks so much for watching today. It was a cool experience getting out there and exploring Bali, even after the earthquake just across from that island there. I go explore Uluwatu temple, amazing, at 7 in the morning. Between 7 and 8:30 there's no tourists, so it's awesome. But the monkeys, well, they target the only person that's there, and they kept chasing me, and I'm not a fan of that. But anyway, awesome experience. If you want any more info, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, like and subscribe, all the usual stuff. Okay guys, so once again, this has been Flying Dave. I'm Flying Dave, and live your best every day. Is that making a new motto now? I don't know, it sounds pretty lame. Alright, catch you guys, bye.